everyone, it's about the at the KFX. Today we will be applying all the basics we have been learning since the beginning of the course. We'll be applying them in the chart. So we'll be using trading view as our analyzing here because we can use MetaTrader as the brokers are eligible of manipulating the chart. So we'll be using this trading view app, and I'm using this phone because most of the people don't have computers, so I just projected it to my computer so that I can at least so that at least this video can benefit almost everyone, because for sure everyone has a phone but most do not have computers. Hence I will be using this phone to analyze. So guys, just download the app trading view at any browser that you use to download the app. So once you get inside the trading view, you'll be introduced to this window here, which is the watch list. And if you don't have any currency pairs or codes that you are used to, just click on this search button here and search any code of your choice. So these are basically the codes that we'll be analyzing, and these are the most traded codes in forex trading. So just add them on your watch list so that you can check them from time to time before you can trade. So today we'll be analyzing gold. So once you step inside a trading view, just make sure that you go to the higher time frames. So this is how our higher time frame look like. I am in the time frame, like daily time frame right now. So the first thing you must do after getting into your charts, you'll have to notice the zones whereby the market was mostly reversing at. So these zones, we call them demand zones and supply zones. So right now you can see that the market was usually returning at this level here. So at that point we just use our straight line, our horizontal line, as it represents our support. So this blue line that you see here is our support. So we also have to notice as many zones as we can, as that will be more easier for us to analyze and come to conclusion very fast. So we can see that these zones I'm still drawing here are the zones whereby the market was usually returning at. So as you can see guys, I think I'm done with the zones, or I forgot these ones up here, so we'll just add our resistance there. So these lines, you can see guys, the market was basically moving upwards, and after hitting this part here it went down up to this level here, and then after hitting this zone here it basically went up and went up just like that and returned at these levels. So every level whereby the market was returning at, you must add a line so that you can see and be able to predict the direction, because here on technical trading we use the previous movements uh, in order to predict the current trend or the upcoming movement. So that's the aim of this technical analysis. So right now we can see here, guys, we also had the lower zone here where the market was mostly returning at. It hit this zone 3 times, guys. So as you can see that this is what we call a support, guys, because this market, it hit this zone and went up and returned to this zone, and it basically went up. So right now I think we are done with the support and all the things. So we'll go to trend lines, guys. You know, the trend lines are the slope lines that determines a trend. So this is our first trend line. Our first trend line here, and we can add another trend on top of this one here, because you know, once you see a trend, you must indicate the bottom and the upper trend, guys. So this is our trend, and this is basically what you call a trend channel, because you know, once you have a support and the resistance on the trend, that's what you call a trend channel. So I'll add another trend, because a proper trend line must hit at least 3 points. So this is what I see. So let's move real quick to the 4-hour time frame, because we use smaller time frames to in order to see the market more clearly, more better than on higher time frames, because on smaller time frames we can be able to see the candlesticks way better than on higher time frames. So guys, as we can see that gold, it was on a bullish trend here, you can see that, and it went down and until it hit this lower trend line here, and it went up, down, and up. So we can see that after hitting this lower support here, it's going up and making a bullish trend. So let's wait and see what it will make after hitting this upper trend here, because you know, according to technical analysis, once a price hit your trend, in short your support or resistance, you are expecting a reversal. So on this or on these charts or on this analysis, we can wait for two things, guys. Either it goes downwards after hitting that trend to maybe this point resistance, or and go up after hitting this resistance, or maybe it can just pass this resistance of ours, or this support of ours here, and go to this level here. That's our first prediction. And our second prediction can be a breakout, because gold might break out this level, this trend line here, make a retest, and then absolutely go all the way up. So this is our third prediction. So this is what we use technical analysis for. So guys, on this analysis here, we can see that the current price is at this level here at our resistance, so we can hope for a downtrend or a uptrend. So guys, at this juncture, guys, one thing you must do is to wait and see whether the market is following this direction or this one here. So once it comes below this trend line, let's say at this point, don't enter immediately. Once it hits this level here, in that case, you'll be sure that gold is definitely going down. I don't know if you guys are still following or what, but then I just hope you guys are still following. What I mean is, as you can see, gold is currently let me look for a brush here. As you guys can see that gold is absolutely at this level here. So that means at this case, gold can go either way. It can break out this level, make a retest and go upwards, or it can definitely reverse at this level like on previous movements and go down. So it can reverse here and then definitely go down to this point. So just wait and see. So I would advise you guys to enter at this point here, this one, at this level here, once it goes down, and once it goes up, just wait for the breakout and retest, and maybe enter at this level here. In that case, you will be sure with the direction. So in this case, I would say we absolutely analyzed gold in details. So I think I'll just end this video here and wait for you guys to answer to ask questions in the comment sections. And please excuse my voice today. I really have a bad flu, guys. I just caught a bad flu, so please excuse my voice. I will try to make sure that the next videos are more clear than this one. So I will keep posting the analysis and applying the tools and basics we learned in the previous videos, because in order to make it in forex, guys, you must practice. It takes practice in order to be perfect. So just try to practice and practice until you can be you can be sure that okay, every prediction that I make, the market follows. In that way, you'll be eligible of killing the market anyhow you want, guys. So just do what you do best, guys. I'll do what I do, and let's meet again on the next video. So, and without forgetting, guys, please, if you liked this video, please click that like button, subscribe, click the notification bell, and please share with your friends, guys, because this knowledge in here might help them a lot. So please try as much as possible to share this video with your friends. So in this way, let's meet on the next video. Thank you.